Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mohammed Sohail and today we are going to start new topic, that is OTC, which is also called as over the counter medication or over the counter sale. So in this topic we are going to learn introduction to OTC, history behind OTC, reason of OTC, and what are the significance of over the counter drug, and what are the disadvantages and advantages, and then last we will cover the types of over the counter drug. So friends, this video is going to be very interesting to all of you, so it's my request to you, if you people have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from my YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let's begin with our today's session. First of all, we'll see introduction to over the counter. So OTC medication are those medications that can be obtained over the counter or from the chemist bench without prescription of a RMP and consultation with a physician. Over the counter drugs are those drugs which are safe and effective for use by the general public without doctor prescription. It is also called as prescription decontrolled drug. These drugs are the non-prescription or over-the-counter drugs. These have little significant pharmacological activity and therefore the physician need not to be very much concerned about their use by the patient themselves. It is used primarily for symptomatic relief and not as substituent for prescription drug. So this is all about the introduction of over-the-counter drug. Now what are the history behind OTC medication? In 1980s, the preparation of remedies at home was replaced by purchasing of patient medicines. By 1950s, the market of the patent drugs was at its peak. OTC considered as time-consuming medicines. Some patients do not want to spend much time at physician clinics. Lesser number of side effects compared to prescription medicines. So this is the history behind over the counter medication. Now what are the reasons of OTC medication? So the first reason of OTC medication is shortage of time and comfort. Second, cheaper in price. Third, availability. It is available at any time. Fourth, self-care. We can easily treat with ourselves. Then fifth is advertisement. So these are the reasons of OTC medication. Now what are the significance of OTC medication? OTC medication are comparatively cheaper and because of poverty in India and also people favor non-prescription drugs. Chemist himself may prescribe OTC. Consumers are able to self-diagnose, self-treat, self-manage. OTC considered as time-saving medication. Some patients don't want to spend much time at physician clinic. So these are the significance of over-the-counter medication. Now coming to the very important topic, that is types of OTC drug. First, analgesics. These are those medicines that relieve pain, that is acetaminophen. Then second, antibiotic. These are those medicines which are used to kill the bacteria used to prevent infection that occurs in cuts. Then C, cough suppressant. These are those drugs that prevent or stop coughing used to treat dry cough, that is antitussive. Antitussive are those medicines which are used to treat dry cough. Then anti-acne drug. So these are those drugs which are used to treat various acne like pimples, whitehead, blackheads and other serious acne. Then NSAIDs, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Those drugs which are used to treat inflammation, mild to moderate pain and fever. Example, aspirin, ibuprofen. Then decongestant, which are used to relieve nasal congestion, which in common terms refers to stuffy nose. Drugs which comes under in decongestant is pseudoephedrine. Then antifungal and antibacterial. These are those drugs which are used to treat infection caused by bacteria and fungus. Example is pacitrazine and miconazole. So these are those drugs which comes under over the counter medication. So this is all about the over the counter medication.